Alright guys, we're back working on the shovelhead today. In our last video, you seen we got the sissy bar tacked up and welded in. Today I'm going to be wiring, and Vince is going to be making the brackets for the front fender to mount to the Springer front end. Okay, so for me to start my wiring, I gotta get the back fender and the tank off so that I can get everything out of the way. And then I've got a chunk of aluminum here that I'm gonna cut up into smaller pieces and mill and drill and tap holes to make the new front fender mounts. Alright, so we have multiple bins of parts that we've collected over the years. I had to go through them all. I was looking for a clutch lever and a brake lever. I knew we had them around here. I found them now, so I gotta clean up this mess and then I'll get back to the wiring. Okay, I've got the front fender mounts all roughed out. I've left more material than I need. I've got about a 1/4 inch all the way around. I can still take off, but it's easier to take material off than it is to add material. So I'm going to mount them on here now, get the fender in place, transfer my holes into the fender. This is not that bad. Okay, I've got to take a 1/4 inch off of the size of both these just so we get more clearance between the two front forks here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've milled a little bit off of the blocks. I'm going to transfer the holes through into the fender now, and I can bolt it all together. Okay guys, so we got all the wiring laid out to where I wanted it to be today. I got the controls on and the grips, levers, and Vincent got the mounts for the front fender all bolted up. We just got some fine tuning to do there. We're going to leave it there today. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you next week.